Historic. That's what a local law expert calls the actions of the House Select Committee investigating the January 6th insurrection. After 18 months of hearings, the committee finished its investigation today and recommended criminal charges be filed against former President Donald Trump. 13 on your side's Andrea Flores explains what's next.
Juliet, it's important to note that Congress cannot bring charges formally. Monday's report summary released by the House Select Committee only recommends that former President Donald Trump face criminal charges based on their findings.
And now the special prosecutor appointed by the Attorney General, who can bring charges based upon this evidence.
Following the violent insurrection at the nation's capital nearly 2 years ago, now the House Select Committee's referral of criminal charges against Trump, which Michael McDaniel, constitutional law professor at Western Michigan University, calls a historic event.
And this is the first time in United States history that the U.S. Congress has ever referred a former president to the Department of Justice for criminal charges.
The recommended charges are obstruction of an official proceeding, conspiracy to both defraud the U.S. and make a false statement, and inciting an insurrection.
No one's above the law. That's what the rule of law means. It applies to presidents. And that's a lesson that is being reinforced today.
Some allies to Trump are included in the referral, and at least 4 House Republicans are referred to the House Ethics Committee for not complying with subpoenas.
I thought that demonstrated that it was non-political and that it was more holistic in looking at both branches of government, the executive and the legislative, that were involved in the events on January 6th.
McDaniel says he expects the special prosecutor will announce in the next 6 months whether or not these charges will be formally brought against Trump. Juliet?